So class, now I will discuss the third type of chemical reaction, that is your displacement reaction. So it is a reaction between element and a compound in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. So for example, if A is an element and BC is a compound, this A will displace the B from its original place and combine with C to form AC, and B will remain single. Okay, so why this is happening here? Because A is more reactive than B. That's why A is able to displace the B from its position and take its position or react with C to form a compound that is different from this one, and this kind of a reaction is known as displacement reaction. For example, if we take zinc and copper sulfate, zinc is in elemental form and copper sulfate is a compound, but you can see in this reaction the valency should remain the same. We can see here 2 positive is the valency of zinc, एंड यहाँ पे आप देखो कॉपर की वैलेंसी भी 2 प्लस है और SO4 की वैलेंसी भी 2 नेगेटिव है. सो जिंक इस रिएक्शन में बहुत रिएक्टिव है और हाईली रिएक्टिव है कॉपर से. डेट्स वाई वो क्या करेगा, कॉपर को उसकी प्लेस से डिस्प्लेस कर देगा और जिंक सल्फेट फॉर्म करेगा एंड कॉपर सिंगली रहेगा. ओके, यू कैन सी जिंक प्लस कॉपर सल्फेट विल रिएक्ट टू फॉर्म जिंक सल्फेट प्लस कॉपर. जो कॉपर यहाँ पे था अब वो इस तरफ हमें दिख रहा है कि वो सिंगली प्रेजेंट है. ओके, सो एक ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें एक एलिमेंट जो कि हाईली रिएक्टिव होता है और वो लीस्ट रिएक्टिव को उसकी प्लेस से डिस्प्लेस कर दे, उस रिएक्शन को हम बोलते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. एंड फॉर comparing the reactivity, which element is more reactive than the other, we have a reactivity series. You can see here most reactive element and the least reactive element. You have to learn this series to find or to know which element is more reactive. You can see the other example here also. Iron plus AgNO3, silver nitrate. We can see in this series that iron is more reactive because it is placed on this position, and you can see silver is placed here. So silver is least reactive. So in this reaction, iron with the valency of +2 will displace the silver from its original place and it will form ferrous nitrate plus silver. So this is also an example of displacement reaction. So for displacement reaction, it is very important to learn this reactivity series, and the main criteria for this reaction is that one element combined with a compound to form different substances.